Yeah. Oh, good.
Probably get hope. It doesn't tear it out. Good.
All the way up to the
That's our sawmill. This is the highest we've ever seen it. We've had to unclog the road a couple of times. We've lost a kayak, some big old logs. We're really glad that we have, a culvert. We're really glad that, sorry.
all the little.
Yes,
Yeah, they're all with Joelle.
this could take out our road if we're not careful. Make sure Keela's. Max, the road could give way too.
Yeah.
We've never seen it over the road. We've been told it's never gone over the road. So this is gonna be
Lilley said she thought she'd seen it.
Road got all washed out and crazy. And this is up on top of the hill. Erosion, erosion.
All right.
We've had to unclog the road a couple of times. We lost a kayak, some big old logs. We're really glad that we have, culvert.
There's another big log.
Log on there. That's probably 1,000-pound log.
But if it gets high enough, it'll float. The log.
Whenever this
What are
gets,
you talking about? Where's the sawmill? Right
it's
there.
over there.
Way
It's
over
never
there. Got that high
Yeah, but
floor.
it's covering the sawmill itself.
But that's not it. Oh yeah, I wouldn't try it. Oh, stay back, dog.